We eat free cake in town. We make a fire, and we show you the difference between summer and winter in Porto Santo.
Give me the beat, boy, to free my soul. I wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away. Give me the beat, boy, to free my soul. I wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away.
We start this year with free cake in the town to celebrate Three Kings Day, the traditional end to the Christmas holiday. The cakes are sponsored by local businesses and a local supermarket. They are cut by the mayor and everyone can have a piece for free. There is some live music with different local groups singing.
Whiskey tasting.
Hey, also for the boys.
Hey.
For the EGPVC.
Slange.
We have a small whiskey tasting on board Make My Day.
The first one. Ogentoschen.
I have a small collection of whiskeys on board for special occasions.
Porto Santo Whiskey Club.
So it's whiskey number 5.
So does Peter from the Sabir. Today's occasion is to enjoy the good life.
Never rains in Porto Santo.
We don't see much rain in Porto Santo. Mostly it's falling during the night in the winter. Normally in the summer when it's dry, it's not allowed to have a bonfire in the garden. But now it's wintertime, and Hans and Renee took down old branches from one palm tree. Time to help him get rid of the brush, so we made a nice bonfire in the garden. Who doesn't like a fire?
Oh my god! Wow! Holy moly!
We hiked up to Pico Branco. Last time we did this hike was in the summer. The difference is not only that the wind is blowing really hard this time, but also the difference in colors. Like many places around the world, where we come from in the Netherlands, flowers start blooming in the spring and the land is turning green, staying this way throughout the summer. In the autumn, leaves in the trees change colors and fall off. In the winter, the landscape is bald and brown. In Porto Santo, it's the other way around. In the summer, everything is dry and brown. And in the winter, it's getting greener and greener after every rain shower. The little yellow flowers, Buttercup oxalis, are everywhere. Look for the differences. It's truly remarkable.
beat, boy, to free my soul. I wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away. Give me the beat, boy, to free my soul. I wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift